guys, how you doing today? Today I'm going to be walking you through the process of um, exchanging your dashboard farm yield, the main balance and the upgrade balance, how to exchange it to the legacy split. So you have to log in to achieve this. You have to log into two accounts. Number one is the dashboard farm, which is the ultimafarm.com. Number two is logging into, let me show you this. Number two is logging into the exchange platform, which is the ultima.io. As you can see, I've logged in on both using the same browser and the same tab, using the same browser but using different tabs. So I'm going to be switching from tab to another tab. So first of all, let's go on a setting. First, you need to do log into ultimafarm.com. Okay, let's go to ultimafarm.com. I'm going to switch again by tapping on this place. This is a Chrome browser, okay, on Android phone. So I have switched to ultimafarm.com. You log in with your email, registered email and password. The moment you log in, you would see whatever you have there. All right, both the Ultima available balance and the Ultima upgrade balance. So right now, I have these two here. I have this here, and I have this here. The main balance and the upgrade balance, right? All right, so I'm going to be copying. What I need to do now is to quickly copy the main balance, Ultima available balance, which is the main one. I'm referring to this one. I'm going to copy it now. And just by pressing, holding, it will be highlighted and the copy sign will appear. You tap on copy. Then you switch over to by tapping the tab icon. I'm going to switch over to the ultima.io. All right. Once you've logged in, you will see with your email and password, you will see this interface, right? And that ultima.io is the smart pass, which is on the smart blockchain website. So the smart pass, once you click on login, it's going to take you to smart pass. You log in with your email and password. So ultima.io redirects you to smart-pass.com. So you log in with your email and password. So once you've done that, you're going to be served with this interface. Now, at this interface, you don't need to click on anything. You just need to click on here. Okay, you click on it, and then you click on here, legacy. You tap on legacy, it loads up. It's loading up. Now, we need to click on the farm balance. The farm balance, which is this one. Oh, sorry, let me use a better selector. Click on this one, right? That's the one I'm clicking now. I tap on it. Now, that figure I copied at the ultimafarm.com, I'm going to paste it here. Just press this box, enter an amount. I press and hold. Paste will appear, and I tap on paste. Then the continue button will appear at the bottom. This one here. You tap on it. Accept the terms by tapping just this icon. Right? Tap and then exchange. Tap on exchange button. It loads up. It loads up. It's loading up. Okay. yes, I want that. Just click on the blue button. Yes, I want that. You see, because I copied exactly what that was there at the ultimafarm.com and I pasted it at the exchange ultima.io, which is the exchange platform. I copied it. I did not type, so I did not make mistake. So I am exchanging exactly what was on the ultimafarm.com. So I click yes, I want that button. Boom, congratulations. So I'm going to go back to that interface again now to that is the ultimafarm.com to copy the other one. So if I refresh now, for example, let me refresh, you'll see that that available balance is no longer going to be there. So what we'll be having now is the upgrade balance. So I will do the same thing just by highlighting, press down, it will show copy. Like what I'm doing now, just press hold, copy, you tap on copy, and then you switch over to exchange platform. Okay, and this exchange platform now, I'm going to tap on this time around the upgrade, farming upgrade, the last one, which is this one. I'll tap on it and then paste by pressing and holding that zero button there, zero there. See, it's blinking, and I'll click on paste. Then come back at the bottom again and click on continue. Accept the terms by checking this, the last button, accept all, check button, and then click on exchange. Again, I will say, yes, I want that. Congratulations. That is how to do it. Now, how do you pay it out? Some people will ask, how do I pay it out? Now that I've exchanged it all, how do I pay it out? All you need to do is to click on this same, your menu at the top right. Click on your menu and then click on pay out, right? As you can see, there's a pay out amongst the tabs there. Click on pay out. It will highlight all the assets there. And what we got by exchanging both the main balance and the upgrade balance is this, right? So I'm going to transfer it now to Smart Wallet, right? Legacy split is very big. The value is very high, and that's why we got this, right? So that is exactly how it works, guys. So when you tap on it, tap on that, and then scroll down, you will see next step. You see this way you paste your wallet address. You paste your wallet address here, and then you tap on max. Once you paste your wallet address, you tap on max, which is this one. Tap on max, it will display that thing. And then what else? You click on transfer. The next thing, once you click on transfer, it's going to prompt you to enter Google Authenticator, which means you must have Google Authenticator on your account first. So once you enter your Google Authenticator currently, it will show you your transfer has been submitted. So in the next few seconds, it will appear on your smart wallet. So right, guys, that is exactly how it works, how to swap your uh, legacy dashboard farming yield balance and upgrade to legacy split and then transfer it to your smart wallet. I remain your friend and brother Lucky Matthew. Bye bye for now.